Hi everyone, my name is Bav and this is the product setup video. A product is an ordering or menu item. A product can be anything from salad dressing to a pool table rental, depending on your establishment. Pixel Point allows you to group similar products for reporting purposes. The first group is called a summary group, which can group together all of your foods, and when looking at your foods, you have your summary group. The next group is called a report category, which would entail something such as soups and salads. Next would be a group called product, which would be the actual item that would be on the menu itself, such as a Caesar salad. Let's start with product setup. Open up Back Office and look for products in the tree diagram, or you can search for it using the search bar at the top right corner. Next, open Products. A new product tab will open. Click on the Product Setup tab. At the top right corner, you can see 3 description fields. First, you have the description, which will show on the guest check. It is important to have a proper name entered in this field. The next field is printed description, which is how the product will appear on the printed label. Here, the name of the product can be shortened. Next, we have printed line 2. This is great for restaurants using 2 languages, as you can put the name of the product in the secondary language here. Under that, we have type of product, which identifies the type of product this product is. There are many different types of product beyond menu items. For example, an ordering product is a product you order off of the menu, such as a salad. In most cases, an ordering product is food or drink and usually has a price attached to it. Option is a modifier. It can be a flavor of an ice cream, which can also have a price attached to it. Kitchen command is a message attached to the order for the person who is preparing the item. Bussing command is a message that is used for bussing prints. This is in the back end for bussers to know which tasks need to be completed. Seating position is an order tag that is used to separate the order depending on the seats. This way, the waiter or waitress does not have to ask who has which order when the dish is being delivered to a table. Rated per hour is a rental. The price you set is based on an hourly charge. Delayed print command allows you to delay the delivery for remote prints and will space out the preparation of items so the whole order is not sent to the kitchen at once. For example, if a table orders their appetizers and mains at the same time, the delayed print command will first send the appetizers to the kitchen and 10 minutes later, the mains. Merchandise items are retail items. Minimum charge is an ordering item which will set to the bottom line price, so once your guest has ordered enough products to reach the bottom line price, it will set to $0. Ticket number allows you to apply a reference number to this order. Next, we have cover charge. This could be an admission fee. Recipe item pertains to inventory. Manual keyboard is a type of item that requires a description. A report category will define the groups of the product. For example, all appetizers will be within the appetizers report category. The next category in product setup is pricing. Pixel Point offers 10 price levels, but by default they will use price level A. But you can set any other price level based on the settings, sale type, member group, setup, or schedule. For example, the item could have different pricing depending on whether the member is a student or a senior. Maybe your establishment has happy hour. You can select that price level based on the schedule. Modify price allows you to adjust the price on the item sold as a modifier. For example, fries could be $2.99 if sold separately, but 99 cents if sold in a combo. To the very right of the page, we have forced questions. To understand forced questions better, please watch the forced questions video. As a quick summary, a forced question is a prompt that appears when further details are required. For example, if you order a burger, the forced question could be, which toppings would you like on your burger? You can apply up to 5 forced questions per product. To select a forced question, click on the drop-down menu. By default, each question will be asked one by one, but if you would like for all the questions to be asked together, check the box Ask Questions at Once. Below that is course. If working with meal courses, you can identify which course this product belongs to. Min security allows you to set security levels to an individual product so it can't be ordered without management authorization. The checkbox "Can combine" will allow you to connect this product to another product, which will form a third product, such as a beer and wing special. Next, we have the More Info tab. Active date is how long you would like this product to be active. Ref code, or UPC, allows you to enter the reference number, which will allow you to work with the PLU function button, so you can order this item by looking up the product lookup number or the UPC code. The feature code is a special code that will provide special functionality to this product, such as feature code 1, which will make the pricing of this item tax inclusive. Tax exempt number is for reporting purposes. Label capacity pertains to label printing. Number of items remaining allows you to enter the stock count of this item. When it reaches 0, this item will be flagged. Time to serve is how long it will take to prepare this item. Prep location pertains to the preparation of large quantities of food, which are usually in regards to businesses that cater. In most cases, you may have several locations where food is prepped. Prep location number will allow chefs to know where certain foods are being prepared. Covers matches up to how many customers this item will pertain to. This is used for reporting purposes. Points awarded will categorize points with an item, so when members order this item, they will be rewarded with the corresponding points. Employee points work similarly, but in terms of contests. So if an employee orders a certain item, they will get the corresponding points. Is member product will flag this item as being only available if a member is assigned to a check. Exempt from gratuity means that this item does not need to be tipped. Manually entered offers a checkbox for price, description, and quantity. If checked, the order will prompt for a price, description, or quantity. By checking the price box, it will override the price that is set in the price levels. Size up product and size down product program functions buttons on your screen that will take this product and link it to another product. A good example of this is a medium-sized pizza. Size up will take the item and change it to a large-sized pizza, and size down will change it to a small-sized pizza. Item special pertains to the special of that establishment. The default item special is normal, meaning it won't show up. If you change it to today's special, it will show up in the specials window, and if you select dessert, it will show up in the desserts window. Item type is for reporting and helps you separate items from hot food items to cold food items. Next, we have the Custom tab. When you assign a product to a report category, it inherits all of the programs that go into that report category, such as which taxes are applied, so when you come to this tab, all of the features are gathered by default. When you select Define Custom, it will allow you to override what has already been programmed. It begins with default print location. If I want this appetizer to follow a print location other than what has been programmed by default, then I can select the 3 dots to the right and select which printer I would like to use. Next is the Schedule button, which will allow you to select a pricing level to this product at any given date or time. As you can see, you can make this product unavailable during certain days and certain times as well. The next tab is Modify Screens, which will allow you to override which modifier page buttons appear when you select this product. The last tab in Customs is Taxes. You can add or remove certain taxes from being applicable to this item. Next, we have the POS button tab. If you have Use Grid Settings checked, settings from the ordering button will be picked up from Form Designer. But if you uncheck it, the fields Color, Image, Alignment will appear, and you can make whatever changes you would like to override the settings you have made in Form Designer. Next, we have the Recipe tab. If you are using inventory or even partial inventory, then you will want to populate this tab with stock or recipe items that it takes to make this item. To apply a recipe item, click on the Add button. You will see a list of all of the items programmed into your system. Once you click on a product, it will ask you how many units you will be using for this recipe. Once that is completed, the item is added to the recipe screen. Listed below, it will tell you the cost of your recipe when each ingredient is given a price. Next to that is your selling price, which is brought in by price level A. The suggested selling price can help an establishment determine how much a product should sell for. You can use the percent cost slider to determine how much you should charge. For example, if you want to sell something for 50% of the ingredients price, You can slide the percent cost to 50% and the system will give you a suggested price. The less cost, the higher the profit. Next, we have the Advanced tab. Accounting code, cost accounting code, and inventory accounting code each contain a general ledger number for reporting purposes. If weight item on scale is checked off, its price will be calculated based on weight. Within this, you can also add the tare weight, which will remove the weight of the plate or the container. Active surcharge will allow you to change this product from a food or beverage item to a surcharge. Upon selecting this checkbox, your prices will be converted from dollars to percentages. So for example, a price of $10 would actually represent 10% of the check total. Minimum charge and maximum charge allow you to define a dollar minimum or dollar maximum to be applied to the check. You also have the ability to include or exclude taxes. Printing priority is one of the methods you can apply to a prep printer on a per item basis. You can determine where this item will print. The higher the number, the higher the priority in which it will print. Consolidate on orders will include this item on consolidation print at the bottom of the prep print. Option printing is used when the product type of this product is an option. Normal items only print on the guest check if they are priced items such as an upcharge for cheese. If you select Print Always, it will be included regardless of the price. And Roll Up Price will print the modifier but won't show the price as a separate item, but it will roll its price up onto the main item. Report Product is when you want similar products to report under the title of one item. For example, if you select Coca-Cola products, you can add Coke Zero, Diet Coke, regular Coke, all under one reporting category. Next, we have Custom DLL. If for any reason this is a special item that needs custom programming, you can use the Custom DLL to apply that here. Next is the Combo Items tab, which will allow quick table establishments to offer combo meals such as burger, fries, and a drink. This will allow you to upsell an item to a combo. If, for example, a customer orders a burger and a drink, no fries, you can easily add a combo with fries through combo items. Next, there is the Kiosk Form tab. If this product is ordered through a kiosk, then an additional set of modifiers and forced questions can be added to this product. For example, if normally a drink comes with ice, you can add a special modifier on the kiosk asking if the customer would like to add ice to their drink or not. And lastly, we have the Print Labels tab, where you can select which description from this Product Setup tab you would like to appear on the printed label. That concludes the product training video. I hope you learned something and look out for more videos.